A couple of you were asking me question about where to find the software Microsoft project after logging into the UDESK, the appstate.edu, the virtual desktop of our school. It's a fairly straightforward and simple. Before I show you how to do it, one thing you have to remember is Microsoft Project software is a part of Microsoft Office package. So what you first thing have to try to find is where the Microsoft project is. Once you know where the Microsoft project folder is on the virtual desktop, then you'll be able to find the Microsoft project. Let me show you how to do it. First, move your mouse to the bottom left corner. Click on the Start menu as you use any Windows-based computers. And then try to look for the Microsoft Office, all programs, and then look for Microsoft Office. Click on the Microsoft Office. Now, there are many different software that are considered as a part of Microsoft Office 2013. You pay attention to by going through the list. You should be able to see Project 2013. Click on that. And then the Project 2013 will be opened up. You can maximize it and start new projects. Okay, so I hope that you now know how to open up the Microsoft projects. Let me know if you have any additional questions.